everybody going out with Deshaun. Got the Navy shirt on. The Navy vent, y'all. Let's go. Took Deshaun out today. We got 5 drums, puppy drums, 25, 24 inches. There you have it. We got some big spot again, some decent sized croakers. See a spot, some big spots. Some of these croakers in here, some big croakers. Oh yeah. That's what time it is. Jack.
Wow.
What'd he say?
Fit.
Look at that, y'all.
Big boys.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Chop sandwich.
Y'all see what it is, fishing the fit. We out here on the spots and drum again. Me and Deshaun. Let's go.
Yeah, let's get it.
Yes, sir.
Snatching lips.
All right, y'all. Deshaun wanna bite. He got something coming up. Oh, he biting like a spot. Oh boy, that's a big spot there. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. That's what he came from. Yes, sir.
Say fishing and fit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's what we came for.
Easy day. Look at that.
Look at that, y'all.
Easy day.
Let's go. Deshaun out here catching puppy drums.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Spot some trump.
All right, y'all. Deshaun got his drum. First one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Fishing the fit.
Fishing
Deshaun got another one. How many is that? Number 4 or 5?
5.
Number 5. Man, one more. We're going to limit out. Let's go.
Fit. Get it.
See what time it is, fishing the fit. Let's go. 25-inch puppy drums, some big spots, some big croakers. Hit it again, y'all. Let's go. Yes, sir.